Welcome to the video everyone, I hope you're all well, thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an income report, so showing you how much money I generated through my Amazon FBA business last month. Now, I know it's interesting if you're looking to sell on Amazon, if you're interested in the idea, people are curious, right? You want to know, how well is he doing? How much money is that guy making from Amazon FBA? And I want to break that down for you. So we're going to be looking at the total revenue and all of my expenses, what you're going to need to consider if you're selling on Amazon, and how much profit was left over at the end of that calculation. So I'll see you in the next one. Right guys, so as I mentioned in the introduction to the video, this is going to be short, essentially looking at an income report for my Amazon FBA account for last month. And, essentially I want to show you the sort of numbers that are possible, but also the expenses that you're going to incur and a breakdown of what those are and what profit is left over at the end. It can be really easy to be drawn in by big sales figures, especially when you're looking at wholesale retail arbitrage when margins are very low. With private label, typically margins are higher, but there's still quite a lot of costs that you need to be aware of and factor in. Mainly what Amazon charge you and your landed cost, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. Now I'll refresh this for you here as well, just so you can see. So just shy of 20,000 over that 30-day period. Now let's look straight away at a breakdown of how much profit was left over at the end of this. So moving over to my expenses here, this is a breakdown. I'm gonna shoot through this really quickly to give you an idea. So the landed cost of the product, something that you'll be calculating when you are looking at the viability of a product. You'll have a clear picture of what this is before you place your order. Essentially, it's the total cost of all of your units plus VAT plus duty, etc., and shipping. Now, for me, for that month period, based on the amount of units that I sold, my landed cost for them were £4,960. Now, I incurred £378 of refunds over that period as well. These are just returns from customers that I was forced to refund for. FBA selling fees. Now, these are the fees that you will be charged. The referral fee, which is a percentage of your sale price of your product. Mine is around 15%, so they will charge that per unit. Total FBA selling fees was £3,511. My transaction fees for FBA, this is actually using their fulfillment services, was £2,145.90. Now bear in mind, this is what enables me to run this remotely from a laptop, is the fact that they're facilitating the deliveries, storage, picking, packing, shipping, and it is one of the things that makes Amazon FBA so attractive. So although it's quite a hefty amount, it's well worth it. FBA inventory and inbound service fees. This is just getting the units shipped in, checked into FBA, the charges incurred when you send those in. And then PPC, so advertising, £3,530 spent on advertising during that period. Now that leaves a total of £14,599 worth of expenses. Now, if you think about that 19,700 figure or 20k figure, that obviously isn't all profit. So we'll make that deduction now. We'll just get the calculator up. And I believe we were on 19,702. And we'll deduct 14,599. And we're left with £5,103 in profit. Now, I'm happy with that figure. It was a good month. That was a figure that I was able to achieve whilst probably doing about an hour a day's work on listings, advertising, things of that nature around the business. So, it was a really good month and something that I'm excited to move forward into Q4 next year. Q4, my product is quite seasonal. It does sell a lot better in the last 3 months of the year, but here you have it. That's it. I want to be transparent with you guys and open what's going on. So that's how my Christmas went, and I hope that was helpful for you.